Hey everyone, here's a recipe for Tempeh Bolognese spaghetti. You can make this in one pot with just 5 ingredients for $1.50 per serving using Trader Joe's ingredients. You'll need some vegan heavy whipping cream alternative, 1 can of tomato sauce, 1 pound of pasta, 1 package of the organic tempeh, and a bottle of the Agilio Olio Seasoning. This is a no-chop recipe, so first all you need to do is open this package of tempeh and crumble it slightly. You can make this in the Instant Pot or on the stove top. You'll need to saute the tempeh for about 5 minutes on high heat. I used about 1 tablespoon of olive oil to saute the tempeh, but the oil is optional. You're going to want to saute the tempeh until it's starting to brown at the bottom, stirring occasionally. When you have a nice consistency of sauteed tempeh, add 2 tablespoons of the Agilio Olio seasoning blend. You can also use a chili garlic Italian seasoning blend if you have it on hand, but I've found this one to be delicious. Then you'll need 1 can of the organic tomato sauce. I'm just going to pour the entire can in there. That's going to help this to stop the cooking of the tempeh if it's starting to brown too much. Stir it around nicely to coat the tempeh in the tomato sauce. Then you're going to add 1/2 cup of the vegan whipping cream alternative. This is going to give this dish a nice creamy consistency. As you can see, we've made a nice delicious bolognese sauce using the tempeh, the chili seasoning, and the tomatoes, as well as the cream sauce. Since this is a one-pot meal, you can just put the pasta directly into the pot. I'm Italian, so I prefer not to break my pasta in half, but if you do, you can break your pasta. Then I'm going to cover the pot. I'm going to pressure cook this for 3 to 4 minutes with 3 cups of water added. If you're using an Instant Pot, do a quick release. To make this dish, I actually cooked this for 3 minutes. I opened it, I stirred it around, and then I cooked it for another minute in the pressure cooker. To cook this on the stove, you would want to put everything into the pot, cover it, and simmer for about 15 minutes. My husband really liked this pasta dish, so if you try this recipe, please share your reaction in the comments below. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one-pot, 5-ingredient vegan pasta recipe. I hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Hope you have a great day. Bye!